Assalamualaikum. Welcome to Member is Spotlight by Allied Muslim Chamber of Business. MCOB is a membership-based social enterprise with a mission to create a thriving Muslim business community. It's the power of collective wisdom, continued learning, and thought leadership brought together for Muslims by Muslims. Our core belief is that business leaders thrive when they have access to a supportive community of peers who challenge and inspire each other. Today we have with us our member Shahid Hayat. Shahid serves as the Executive Director of Pakistan Children Relief, PCR, a nonprofit dedicated to providing healthcare, education, and social services for orphaned and vulnerable children across Pakistan. With a mission to create lasting change, PCR focuses on sustainable programs that empower children and their communities. Welcome, Shahid.
Thank you very much, Kashif, for having me in your studio.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for being here and thank you for being part of this journey. So please share with us a little bit about yourself, how you got to the where you are today.
Yeah, well, Kashif, actually, I was born in a small village in Pakistan, Mianwali, but I moved to interior Sindh where I lived. I got my education and then in Karachi for my higher education. And in 1988, I moved to United States. Study a little bit in economics and business. And after completion my school, I have joined. I had a mission to work for Pakistan from my childhood, and
Mhm.
especially for the education sector. So I joined a team on one organization, ICNA Relief, and then with the Helping Hand, served there for 15 years for the humanity as a director, U.S. region. And Alhamdulillah, since then, my passion was to serve the Pakistani future. So
Mhm.
I decided to move on for education sector and for the children, basically. When we learn there's 26 million children in Pakistan, they're out of school. This is one of the biggest number, is the second in the world. So that struck me, and I started this organization with the name of Pakistan Children Relief because my vision was to serve Pakistan, serve children, serve education. So that's why we gave this name to this organization. So this is my just a little bit introduction.
All right. So how long have you been working as a PCR?
PCR, we actually registered as a 501(c)(3) in 2012
Okay.
with with my few friends, and then because I was a part of another organization, so I didn't want to be starting this organization when I'm working with other. So I resigned from Helping Hand in 2019. And then in 2020, December, we started our first project in Karachi, Rawalpindi, and Lucky Marwat with 160 orphans. And
Great.
so this was our starting point in 2020, December.
Okay. And where is the organization now?
Now, Alhamdulillah, in last 4 years, the first our strategic plan was to establish our projects in Pakistan. So we expanded our team in Pakistan uh, from 3 cities, and now we are working in 20 cities in Pakistan. We started with 160 orphans, and now we are serving 1,400 orphans in 20 cities, and we are educating 1,500 out of school children and street children in Pakistan. Also, we have started one technical center in Islamabad. We did some healthcare projects. Our basic concept was instead of building huge buildings or infrastructure, so
Mhm.
we are doing the rehabilitation of the washroom, our wash project, water sanitation and hygiene in the schools in Pakistan. So we did some few projects in Lucky Marwat and other cities for that purpose also.
Okay. All right. Share with us more if any success stories that you have been working since 2020 in that. particular region. What are the successes that you are seeing?
Alhamdulillah, this is the big success that you started in Pakistan with 160 orphans, and
Mhm.
now we are serving 3,000 children in Pakistan. We are providing them education, we provide them the basic needs, necessities of these children. We are providing them the healthcare services for those children. Also, we established one project in Karachi, which was a safe home for street children, where we have enrolled about 20 orphans in that house. And Alhamdulillah, they got educated, they passed the high school, Alhamdulillah, within 4 or 5 years. So that was one success story. The other success was that make me happy and peaceful that I'm serving the Pakistan and reaching out to maximum of the children and supporting them. And that's why my vision, inshallah. So this is my success, actually. So within the 4 years, we established the team of 85 our team members in Pakistan. The other success is I'm supporting 3,000 children. And other success, alhamdulillah, that our name is now in within 4 years. Recently, we have a tour with Vasisha, the name of Evening with Vasisha. We are traveling in U.S., different cities in U.S., reaching out to the Pakistani community. So giving them awareness about this projects. So Alhamdulillah, in 1 month, we have organized 20 events from northeastern part of the U.S., from Massachusetts, Connecticut, upstate New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, and now we are in Maryland and Virginia. So this is another success, Alhamdulillah, to reaching out to the community, and we have, Alhamdulillah, this is our success, one of the success, I can say that. And it's still this trip is going on until November 11th, and
Uh-huh.
so to the Midwest and other area of the U.S. inshallah.
Okay, all right. What is the overall budget of the organization?
Yeah, because as I say, our main focus is to provide the education, and
Mhm.
not to build the infrastructure. So we started with the low budget, with the $100,000, and Alhamdulillah, at this point our budget is about 700 to 800 $1,000, and inshallah in future, that's we are planning in next year, we might increase to the 2 million, inshallah.
2 million. Okay, so that's
Inshallah.
more than double.
That is our target, inshallah, for the in 2026, inshallah.
Okay, all right. And what are the difficulties that you are facing working in that region and as an organization, and how can people help you?
The biggest challenge in Pakistan is our. I, I don't want to mention, but it's just giving the message to the government of Pakistan. They're very difficult to register the organization. The process is very lengthy. There's very bureaucratic style still is working in Pakistan. It took us 2 years to register ourselves in Pakistan. Even recently, we got a registration as our local organization, and for the opening the bank account is taking us 6 months. So that's the biggest challenge. Was hurting me, and sometimes even it. I thought that let me stop working and not to do this work
Mhm.
in this environment. But Alhamdulillah, because I had a passion and I was committed with the children in Pakistan, and that did not stop me to stop the organization continuing my mission. So Alhamdulillah, but these are the hurdles which many organizations they are facing in Pakistan, and I gave this message to the authorities. They should make some lenient process. Even they can do the scrutiny and everything, whatever is required, but
Mhm.
it shouldn't be taking that long to allow people to work for the Pakistan.
Okay, all right. One of the areas that you are working in is the education of children, and education is definitely key for anybody's success and for their prosperity. So, please share with us some like the programs that you are conducting under the umbrella of education and how they are impacting the kids over there.
Yeah, actually, I want to share the story which inspired me to start the Pakistan Children Relief. That was in 2006 when I visited my village in Pakistan, in Miawali, where I learned the women education, the girls' education was prohibited for the women there. So
Okay.
I started a school there, Alhamdulillah, to change the mindset of the community.
Mhm.
And we started that school with, Alhamdulillah, with one class, one teacher concept. We started with 60 children, with two class, teachers. And now that school is, Alhamdulillah, went up to the college level. And there, where we have 900 children, they are getting education in that school. And I learned after 10 years, I did some survey in the community, and I learned even before when we started the school, there was is not people were not interested for education, especially the male-dominating society. They didn't want their girls to go to school. But after 10 years, everyone liked that. Everyone helped us. Everyone is now sending their children, and especially for the girls, to to get education. And Alhamdulillah, with that success for the story, that gave me motivation to start Pakistan Children Relief, so I can work for the other area for Pakistan. Alhamdulillah, and I saw the change in the society. That there was the impact where in the village, even the government they did not have a high school for the girls. We established the college level education, and many girls they graduated from. They are now in medical school. They are in the engineering school. They are other professional school. They are traveling to the other cities also, and the big cities going for the higher education. So that was the big success, and that was my inspiration and motivation to start the Pakistan Children Relief and educate, spread this word and education to. That's I believe is the key of successful for individuals and for the nations and for the countries. Sure.
Yeah, definitely. I'm just curious, the schools that you are establishing over there, they are from like elementary school go up to the 12th grade?
This one is yeah. The child actually enrolled in the kindergarten and he graduated from the intermediate college.
Okay, all right. And are these schools free for the students, or you take some amount of money from them?
Okay, this project actually was my personal project. It was as not a part of the Pakistan Children Relief. So
Okay.
that they have some fee. The fee structure we have given is not a profitable. It's every laborer person who can spend at least 1 or 2 days of his salary for his children education. So that was the concept. We did not want to give them the free, so they because I believe if you give them the free education, they
Mhm.
don't see the value of the education. So they don't feel the responsibility. So we want the children to be responsible. We want the parents to be responsible so they can contribute. The fee structure is very low. It's not, is very, I would say, is very low tuition fee. Everyone can afford it. And also, we are paying the higher salaries to the teachers so we can get the qualified teachers in the village. So there is no our like a profit in that business.
Mhm.
Also, we support them from my own pocket or from few of my friends. They help us to for the building and other expenses. But other than this project, for Pakistan Children Relief, we started our basic learning centers in different cities. At this point, we have 14 basic learning centers where our focus is primary education, and we rent the facilities from the other institutions. When in the morning they are running their own school, but in the evening when these buildings are empty and available, So we use their facility, and this education is free for those children who are street children or they're out of school children. They cannot afford the tuition fee and books. So we provide them everything is free of cost.
Okay. All right. So my last question to you is, if anybody wants to support you, what's the best way to support you?
I mean, the best way to support is to come and join our teams because as our vision is not this is a personal property or this is just my organization or few of our friends they can own this. This is the ownership for the Pakistani community and the other businesses who want to support in Pakistan for education. So they can join this team, our team. They can take over from us and they can run in the better way if they find us. And they can support us in the professional way. Anything we can improve the quality of education. We can improve, reach out to the more children. We can establish more schools and more of our facilities in Pakistan. Our goal is to educate 26 million children in Pakistan who are out of school, to bring them back to the school. Our goal is to support 5 million orphans who are on the street are not getting education, not proper attention. So we can support them. So our projects are with $10,000 for the whole year. Kashifbhai, we are educating 180 children for the whole year because our low cost budget, low cost our this project is affordable for everyone. So we need support from our community so they can come support in any way with their financial support, their professional support, their intellectual support, or social, whichever way they can support us, inshallah. We welcome everyone to join our team, and they can, inshallah, run this organization for the future of Pakistan.
All right. Sounds good. No, that's a very good vision to have, and may Allah put more barakah in the work that you are doing, and you'd be
Ameen.
to be beneficial to more people in Pakistan. Thank you for
Inshallah.
taking care of those children that are in need from education, from just guidance perspective, so they are able to get to where they need to be in life.
Thank you very much, Kashif, for having me here, inshallah. Jazakumullah. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank
Sonic.
you. Wassalam.